My next test is going to be quite a good one because last time I'd done this, which if you've seen the last video, wait, I say last video, I think it was last year, and I used an MP40 and CO2 guns against concrete, which is what I've got right here. The MP40 did that to it. See all these little chips? Now then, what will that do against this? Which is quite a decent little thing, because if it does the same type of damage, the same type of damage, maybe it's just as good. If it doesn't, then it's not as good, and the MP40 is worth the double bubble price tag, effectively. So let's see what this does then. That's it, and then let's see what happens. I'm gonna have to get about the same distance as the last video, so let's see what happens. Oh, hi. Well, that has proved the point. So, it is not, and I repeat, not as powerful as the MP40. And I will show you, because if I put my hand there, MP40, Crossman. It has chipped it, but not as badly as the MP40.